Shopify Optimization. Hello, welcome and thanks for choosing this video course. In this video, we're going to talk about your Shopify Optimization. Without further ado, let's get started. Now that you already know how to identify your niche and price your product, the next thing that you need to study on is how to configure your store. This is an essential step to setting up your Shopify store. Setting up an online store only takes a short while, and with the features by Shopify, this can be done even faster with several clicks and a small monthly investment. First things first, before you can even start setting up and configuring your store, you'll need to know the features of Shopify. Let me list them out before I get into detail. Ready-made themes, easy procedure to add your products, customizable by buttons with codes, shipping made simple, number of extension apps to customize your store. These are some of the features which you can use to set up your store, so let's get into each feature now. Ready-made themes. The best part of using Shopify as the platform to start is that you don't need to be a coding expert or multimedia designer to design your online store. Shopify provides over 100 professionally designed themes to keep your store looking fresh, vibrant, and inviting. This is the part of the configuration that I would advise you to spend a longer time on. As we already know, people are looking at designs more than the quality of the product nowadays. Whether you like it or not, visuals always come first. Your theme of the store represents the first impression, and it creates a powerful impact on your viewers. Use Shopify to solve the problem of designing your store, and you can easily set up a professional-looking store with just a few clicks. Easy procedure to add your products. A store isn't complete without your products, right? Once you've set up the theme for your store, the next thing that comes to mind would be your products. This would be the most essential and exciting part, as you're going to see your store set up from scratch to a store with merchandise to start selling. Adding products to your Shopify store is extremely easy. Even a newbie to Shopify will not find any problems uploading the product. You'll just need to follow a simple 3-step procedure, and you're done with it. Step 1, look for the Add a Product button from the Products tab. Step 2, insert product details, like the product name, product description, product image, type of product, the vendor, and the price. Step 3, save your product. That's all there is to it, a simple 3 steps to complete the upload of your product. Once you're done with the first one, do the same for the rest of your products. Customizable buy buttons with code. The customizable buy buttons on Shopify allow you to easily turn any website into e-commerce by embedding the buy button codes to the website. Moreover, the buy buttons are connected to your Shopify checkout. Therefore, regardless whether you're selling on your Shopify store or on your own blog, visitors will be directed to your Shopify checkout. One thing which may be bothering you is if you want to use the buy button from Shopify, but you don't wish to start a brand new store to build up your audience again. No worries, Shopify's buy button isn't limited to your Shopify store alone. You can also sell your products on your own website or wherever you've already built an audience online. This is the first way you can use the buy button. The second way would be to start your own Shopify store, which includes product pages, an embedded cart, and a secure checkout. You can keep track of orders through your Shopify admin, and yes, it's still workable regardless where you sell your products. As long as you're using the Shopify buy button, you can keep track of orders with Shopify. The customizable buy button enables you to match any web page's theme. You can design your own buy button according to your own style and format. They're fully responsive and offer your customers a better experience on shopping in your store on their computers, smartphones, or tablets. After you've set up the theme, products, and the buy buttons, you'll need to configure your shipping details. Organizing and shipping the products to the customers can be troublesome. However, Shopify can make your shipping simpler. You can set up shipping to be a fixed price based on the weight of individual products and set extra charges for shipping out of the country. You can also select whether to charge taxes on the product and based on the product's weight to calculate shipping. Numbers of extension app to customize your store. There's a Shopify app store with many number of extension apps to customize your store. Whether you want to print labels, add customer reviews to your stores, or install live chats, you can find the extension on the Shopify App Store. There are paid and free apps which can be installed with just a few clicks. Choosing a theme for your store is worth a standalone subtopic for it. As mentioned, the theme of your store represents the first impression of your business. Once the first impression is ruined, you'll not have the second chance to build up the connection with them. People nowadays put priority in packaging. In this scenario, your packaging is the theme of your store. Hence, choosing the right theme for the store is vital. Shopify has over 100 themes to choose from, which include a wide range of both free and paid themes. Having logged into Shopify, visit the theme store. You can filter themes by paid or free, by industry, by features, and so on. This could save you time from choosing from scratch. Once you've found a theme that you like, click on the theme's sample image. Check on the theme details and reviews. When you're on the page, you'll be given more information about the theme, such as whether the theme is responsive and so on. One of the interesting features with Shopify's theme is that you can preview it. Simply click on the View Demo button and you'll be able to see the whole theme live in action. If the theme comes with a few styles, you can view them all by clicking on them. Instead of visualizing it in your mind and seeing a different result when it's the real deal, you can preview the theme before deciding to use it. If you like the theme, click on the Get Theme button. To confirm this action, click on Publish as my shop's theme. You can switch your theme from time to time when you feel like it. After the theme has been installed, Shopify will notify you and give you the option to go to your theme manager, where you can view and customize your themes from there. Optimizing your store plays a vital role to increase and boost traffic to your store. The more the optimization, the more likely it's for your store to appear on the search result page on search engines. Optimization is all about keywords. You can optimize these pages: store policies, store pages, about, contact, FAQ, etc., product listing pages, product images, coupon codes. First and foremost, look for a few suitable keywords in your niche. For instance, if you're selling digital products, suitable keywords will be digital, e-products, and so on. I highly recommend using Google AdWords to find suitable keywords for your niche. Once you've decided on which keywords to use, fully utilize them in all the pages I've mentioned. Writing original content from scratch with the keywords will be the best way to optimize your store. Avoid reusing the contents from other sites. This will not help you to increase the traffic. In contrast, it may have the traffic to be shared between you and the other sites. It's definitely worth your time to write all the pages from scratch. After some time, you can then replicate and tweak a bit for new pages. Pages like the About, FAQ, and Contact page are especially important when you're optimizing your page because those pages are more likely to be searched. On these pages, you'll want to be extra careful on clarity and copy, search engine optimization, missing information. We will look into search engine optimization only because this affects the optimization of your store the most. Most of the newbies may have overlooked the SEO for the pages. Your store is more likely to have many missing titles, meta descriptions, and URLs. When you know how to optimize these elements, it helps Google to have a better understanding of what your store is all about, as well as increase the visibility on the search results page. When the visibility of your store increases, the chances of people clicking on your links from the search results page will also increase.